Hi, Tammy. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence and in turn bring you some more money and leads. So contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your listing are going to be exclusive to you. So they're not going to be, or I'm sorry, your website, they're going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to play the game of who paid Zillow the most money this month to get the best leads, or, competing with the same agents for the same leads, all right? Multiple agents for the same leads, okay? They're going to be your leads because it's your website. So obviously you have a website here, TammyShallberg.com, and I'm glad to see that. So obviously you understand the importance of being online. The real question is this website bringing you money? Are they finding it organically, or are they typing it in after they've already met you and after they've already received your business card? Then they're coming in, typing it in. But at that point, you've already received the lead through your own efforts, okay? We want to receive the leads through the website's efforts. So a couple things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Now, you do have a website, and content is king. So Google loves content. The more you have, the better. Now, content isn't just the words. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So the thing to keep in mind is that, especially in real estate, you want to make sure that your photos are saved the right way. With the IDX feed, with all the listing photos, with so many photos on a real estate website, you want to make sure that each and every photo is saved the right way. So a lot of times when we upload photos to the web or anywhere on a computer, the computer creates a file name for the photo that we don't specify. So typically it consists of just random letters and numbers, or I believe these two photos were saved as like home seller 1 and home seller 2 or something like that. Well, the thing to keep in mind is that a lot of times it's either random letters and numbers. Obviously, I didn't go through the entire website, but or it'll be like pick 1, pick 2, or like this: home seller 1, home seller 2 with an underscore, okay? Now, since search engines read how your photos are saved on the back end, it would behoove us to make sure that that's good, proper content. So keep that in mind. Do your homework. It even goes down to the size of that you should save the file of your photos. So just do your homework and make sure that all your photos are saved the right way, okay? Very important. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack. So I typed in Madison, Wisconsin Realtors. We got First Weber Realtors. We got Mad City Dream Homes. We got American Realtors. They're here because of citations and because of their Google My Business page, okay? Also, we got Mad City Dream Homes. So we got Laurel Realty Group, okay? So we have some individual realtors that are coming up on the first page as well because they have done their website properly to get on that first page. And they're definitely bringing in leads, okay? But more importantly than that, obviously I did see that you have a Google My Business page, which is awesome, okay? You're actually one step ahead of a lot of realtors that don't have Google My Business pages, all right? But we're not here. We're not in the first page. We're not in the second page. I don't even believe we were in the third page, okay? I found it through, I typed in your name, and then I found your Google My Business page. So really, we want to get your Google My Business page up here. And there's a couple things you can do to do that. So we're in the third page right now, and I don't see you. So either way, there's some things you can do to change your Google My Business page to get you up in the ranks, okay? First of all, reviews. So you have no reviews. So we recommend 25 reviews. So it's very important that you push these 25 reviews. Obviously, everybody understands the importance of reviews, so you're going to want to get 25 of them. Start with 1 and then just keep pushing. Obviously, reviews are very, very important. We recommend 25. The other thing that I like to suggest is that you put your website domain down here in the appointment section, and it's just another way to bring exposure to your website and your domain. And then next is photos. So it looks like you have one photo here. It looks like it's a Google drive-by photo that you didn't even put here. This is just what Google My Business figured out and drove by. So you're going to want to add 10 photos to your Google My Business page, 10 photos, and then you're going to want to make sure that all 10 of those photos are saved the right way. So very important. Add 10 photos, save them properly, get yourself some reviews, get yourself some citations. Obviously, you have your Zillow review linked here, but let's finish this profile, make it a little bit nicer, make it a little more complete, and with some citations, like I said, you'll be well on your way to being in the first, second page, which is really where you want to be. Okay, that's when you're going to get the leads from it. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. So anywhere that Tammy Shallberg can be found, TammyShallberg.com is going to give you a backlink. Okay, you actually have 24 backlinks from 4 referring domains, but your domain rating is a 0.8. Okay, so this goes to show you that not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, so you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant to the business and that aren't spammy. Okay, very important that you get your backlinks from reputable sites, powerful sites that are not spammy, and that are relevant to the business. So just keep that in mind. Do your homework. Get yourself some good backlinks that are going to bring the most value and that are going to help rank your site. So very important, backlinks. Very important. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website, into your Google My Business page, and into your business in general to bring you some leads and some money. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.